Well, I want to start by expressing my deepest appreciation to the Benin branch of the Nigerian Bar Association, popularly referred to as the Lion Bar, for these awards. Over the past 2 years, when the Labour Party rose to the limelight under my leadership, I have had the privilege of being awarded severally, nationally and internationally. But I want to say clearly that this award is most cherished, most appreciated, and will remain indelible in my heart. It is generally believed that the numerous challenges of our country is as a result of poor leadership. And I'm sure that was what resulted in the obedient movement, in the struggle for a new country and a new Nigeria. I therefore want to dedicate this award first to millions of Nigerians who are desirous of a leadership that is purposeful, a leadership that will be dedicated to the growth and development of the country, a leadership that will have the courage to fight poverty, fight hunger, fight unemployment, and reposition the country for economic growth and development. A leadership that is passionate about the welfare and well-being of the people. I also want to dedicate this award to the judiciary. Judiciary that is courageous, judiciary that will speak truth to power, a judiciary that will give vent to the yearning and aspirations of the people, a judiciary that will truly represent that will truly be said to be the last hope of the common man, a leadership that will damn the consequences, a judiciary that will damn the consequences and deliver judgment in the interest of the people. Finally, I want to dedicate this award to members of my immediate family who supported me through thick and thin. And I want to also appreciate ITV for covering us and giving us wide coverage. I appreciate ITV for their support generally given to us so far. The signs are already visible that there is no hope in sight. And we continue to maintain that it is only Labour Party that has the answers to the socio-economic challenges of the country. Before this administration took over the realms of governance, fuel or fuel, for instance, was sold for 187 naira per litre. Today, it is sold for over 600 naira per litre. Before this administration took over, even though inflation was very high, double digits, today inflationary rate is over 30%. Unemployment has continued in the increase. The just released budget, you can see there is nothing in the budget that will show that there will be a change in the economy of the country. When this government took over, a dollar was exchanged for 700 naira per dollar. Today, it is above 1,300 naira. So it's very visible. The signs are clear that this government has no answers to the numerous challenges of the country. Well, it brings us to the point that we have continued to make, that the government is not ready and willing to depart from the circumstances of the past. It is not willing and ready to depart from the behavior of the past that have plunged the country into the economic quagmire that we find ourselves. To me, it is pure wastage, unnecessary and unacceptable. He didn't need that homologous delegation in order to put up a very solid representation in that event. 2, 3, 4 or 5 delegation is enough to make the point in that event. I do not see the very needs and the importance of that event that would have attracted such a huge number of delegation to such summits. For me, at this critical stage of our development, we need to cut the cost of governance in order to be able to provide welfare for the citizens. We cannot be borrowing to send delegation to attend conferences across the world. It is unacceptable, and it shows that we are wasteful and we are very, very unserious.